Extreme weather phenomena have hit several regions in China in recent days. Initially, it was thought to be just regular rain, but the situation changed drastically when large hailstones accompanied by strong winds struck cities like Wuhan and Nanchang. Reports indicate winds reached levels 8 to 11, causing significant damage. Doors and windows were reportedly deformed by the winds, while some vehicles were even overturned. At the same time, lightning with purple flashes accompanied the storm, adding to the panic among the public. This extreme weather phenomenon is not limited to one region. Previously, Guizhou was hit by egg-sized hailstones, while Chaozhou experienced repeated flooding. Meanwhile, northeast China experienced snowfall in April, an unusual occurrence when spring should have arrived. Heavy rain accompanied by hailstones that fell on Nanchang City overnight became a hot topic on social media. The extreme weather caused disruptions in various areas, including mountainous roads prone to being blocked by fallen trees and floodwaters. However, amidst the worsening weather conditions, a group of highway workers demonstrated extraordinary dedication. On Provincial Highway 417, specifically on Wangzhou Road, they battled strong winds and heavy rain to ensure the road remained passable. The strong winds reportedly uprooted several trees, blocking half of the road. Meanwhile, the standing water reached ankle-deep, increasing the risk to road users. Nevertheless, the officers did not back down. With their limited equipment, they worked non-stop throughout the night. Heavy rain accompanied by flashes of lightning struck Wuhan City overnight, sparking concern among residents and drawing attention on social media. The extreme weather caused numerous disruptions, especially on major roads and vulnerable hilly areas. Amidst the dire conditions, a group of road workers demonstrated extraordinary courage and dedication. As the rain poured relentlessly and lightning flashed across the night sky, they remained on the ground to ensure the safety of road users. Large hailstones pummeled the ground and farmland, damaging crops ready for harvest. Meanwhile, the relentless downpour left major roads flooded, hampering public life. One of the most severely affected areas was the Yangtze Bridge in Wuhan, which reportedly resembled a waterfall due to the torrential rain. Furthermore, Changsha also reportedly experienced severe flooding within a short period of time, worsening conditions in the southern region. The contrast between the flooding in the south and the snow in the north demonstrates the increasing frequency of extreme weather across various regions. Experts believe this phenomenon serves as a reminder of the unpredictable power of nature. Amidst this situation, the public is urged to remain vigilant and follow the guidance of local authorities. This disaster reiterates that in the face of the power of nature, humans have significant limitations. The Wuhan Meteorological Observatory reported that heavy rainfall occurred in the past 3 hours in several areas of the city. The heaviest rainfall was recorded in the Wuhan Economic and Technological Development Zone, Kadian District, and the northwestern area of Jiangxi District, with accumulated rainfall ranging from 30 to 50 millimeters. Meanwhile, most other areas received less than 15 millimeters. Data shows that the point with the highest cumulative rainfall was the Wuhan Academy of Agricultural Sciences Fisheries Products Station in Jiangxi District, with a total of 64.7 millimeters. The highest hourly rainfall intensity was also recorded at the same location, at 61.9 millimeters between 1 o'clock p.m. and 2 o'clock p.m. local time on April 11.
我去，我操！
In addition to heavy rain, hail was also reported on Jifang Road in Jiangxi District. The hailstones were approximately 1 to 2 millimeters in diameter, indicating strong atmospheric convection activity in the area. Previously, the observatory had issued a yellow warning for severe convection. The warning stated that in the next 3 hours, several areas, including downtown Wuhan, Dongxihu District, the Economic and Technological Development Zone, Kadian District, and Jiangxi District, could experience thunderstorms, short-duration heavy rain, and strong winds.
玻璃别烂掉了，别。我操，好吓人呐！
Wind speeds are expected to reach levels 7 to 9, accompanied by lightning flashes. Furthermore, small hail is also likely in some areas, increasing the risk of disasters such as local flooding, minor infrastructure damage, and traffic disruptions. Residents of Wuhan are being urged to increase their vigilance following an extreme weather warning issued by local authorities. A powerful storm cloud is reportedly approaching the city, bringing the potential for strong winds, heavy rain, hail, and even the possibility of local tornadoes.
蹦嘟，蹦嘟。